Guys, I'm Kumar.
I'm Kumar.
And we are the Kumar Bros. So we'll be making explosive Nerf darts. So you take one of these. So we get this in India. So this is 15 rupees a box.
They're pop-ups.
Yeah. So you get 50 bombs for one packet. So they're like this. So you take one, and that's it. So now we'll be sticking this onto this. So as you see, we have a Nerf Mega Dart, the Roto Fury. And next I will show you now how to make the explosive Nerf darts.
So as he told, we'll be taking a Nerf dart and this pop-up. Then we'll be using Scotch tape or any tape, whichever tape you have that is handy. So you take this and stick it as close to the starting part of the pop-up. So as you can see, I've stuck it like so close so that it doesn't touch this part of the gun.
Yeah.
So now I'll be shooting. We'll be shooting these darts outside. We already have the Nerf gun loaded.
Yeah.
So enjoy.
So as you see, it's dark outside. Oh yeah.
Come closer, bro. Saw those? So, as you all saw, those Nerf darts just exploded.
Yeah, that was cool. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe.
And share the video.
Yeah, we are the Kumar Bros. Peace.